I'm in a 2010 Ford F-150, and today I'm going to show you how you would jump start. So first open the hood, and then towards the passenger side you should see your battery with your terminals here. This will be your negative terminal, this will be your positive terminal, and you can always double check the battery as well to make sure that's your negative sign, and there'll be a plus sign over here. Next step, I would double check these are clean from corrosion, which you can clean off with a good brush or rag. And then I would make sure these are tight. So if they're loose, be sure to tighten them up so you have a good connection. And after that, with your jump box or with your jumper cables, take your metal clamps and then have your red positive clamp directly to the metal here with as much metal contact as you can get. And then your negative clamp directly to the metal here with as much contact as you can get. And then I'd have, if you're running jumper cables to another vehicle, make sure the other vehicle is turned on. And you want to make sure your positive terminal leads directly to the positive terminal on the other vehicle, and your negative terminal leads directly to the negative on the other vehicle. You want to make sure you don't cross them by mistake, just because that could cause damage to your computer systems, electronics, fuses, things like that. But that said, and if that doesn't work, after several minutes of trying, you might need to replace this battery just by disconnecting these, pulling the old battery out, putting a new one in, and reconnecting everything. But I hope that's helpful. Hope you have a good day.